Hello friend, in today's video we will discuss about furnace exit gas temperature probe, that is also called FEGT. Furnace exit gas temperature probe are used to monitor the gas temperature profiles in convective zones of the furnace to indicate the quality of heat transfer within the furnace and post furnace sections of the boiler. This temperature measurement is to alert the operating personnel in case of exit gas temperature exceeding the threshold value. For example, when we are doing light up, our reheater temperature should not going to increase beyond 550 degrees Celsius. So at 560 degrees Celsius, we got an alarm for flue FEGT temperature high in order to avoid ash deposition due to high temperatures. This is a typical diagram of FEGT installed in a furnace. Generally, FEGT are installed on left and right side of the furnace in secondary reheater inlet near secondary reheater inlet header to monitor the flue gas temperature during startup for reheater protection. फ्रेंड्स ये हमारा टिपिकल डायग्राम है FEGT का. इसमें हमारी एक मोटर अटैच्ड होती है FEGT से और एक प्रोब है हमारा थर्मोकपल का डुअल टाइप के probe. Okay, and this is pressure switch for cooling of thermocouple. इसमें हमारा कूलिंग एयर का कनेक्शन दिया हुआ है और यहाँ पर प्रेशर स्विच दिया हुआ है जिससे कि एयर की सप्लाई जाती है ड्यूरिंग बॉयलर स्टार्टअप since the reheater will not have any steam flow. Okay, and HP bypass is not in line. Okay, the fuel firing rate is kept within the limit, so the flue gas temperature is limited to a specified value, well within the threshold value of the reheater metal temperature. Because we know that reheater metal temperature should not increase much beyond 550 degrees Celsius. So one annunciation is there at 560 degrees Celsius, and FEGT will automatically retract when the furnace temperature is greater than 615 degrees Celsius. Furnace exit gas temperature. This is same. So now we discuss what are the implications of FEGT high. If FEGT is too high, the residual fly ash will fuse to the pendants of the tube, forming slag. This is the slag formation shown here. This can lead to increased soot blowing operation and tube corrosion and reduced load operation and possible safety issues due to clinkers are dropping from the furnace, heavy clinkers. Okay, this is typical burner fire diagram. This is a thermal model of boiler furnace, how it is looking like. Now what will happen if FEGT is on lower side? Lower FEGT value indicate the excessive radiative losses to the water walls or incomplete combustion process resulting in the loss of efficiency. If incomplete combustion is there or radiative losses are very much high, then also our FEGT is on lower side. So there are certain causes for that. Number one is fuel quality, excess air, burner selection, tilt, and low NOx operation and heat transfer issues all affect the exit gas temperature. Okay, by tuning all these things we can maintain the exit gas temperature in the required limit. By monitoring FEGT, the operator can balance, optimize their combustion process and safeguard the boiler furnace. So this is the purpose of FEGT. These are advantages of FEGT. Accumulation and fouling can be reduced as the S fusion point will not reach if we operate in certain limits. It optimizes the heat transfer. Okay, it also measure and quality trade-offs of heat rate and NOx and SOx emissions. Because when FEGT increases, our NOx and SOx also changes. It also set alarms to take corrective actions and initiate soot blowing operations if our FEGT temperatures are on lower side. Okay, minimize soot blowing operations to increase pendant lifetime. Okay, maximize boiler efficiency by running under optimal load conditions. Prevent failures continuously and proactively monitoring the furnace temperatures. Minimize unscheduled outages and reduced power conditions. And installment is very easy and can be maintained while boiler is in online. So if you have any question, please ask me in comment box. So this is all from my side. Thank you very much.